Never date a woman who don't respect your wife. No, I didn't mean to say. I said the wrong shit. Okay?
All my life, I have loved beautiful, fine, extravagant women.
Well, where did you get one? I never seen
Out of Goodwill.
Tell them
You don't
again.
have to get a whole pack
Baby
of wings like
Goodwill,
this. I got this
the local
because it's cheaper when you buy it this
washaterias
way.
is the best
Because
place
I'm gonna be
in the
cutting these up into
world
rounds and flats,
to
and it's just
meet
cheaper if
the
you do it
woman
yourself.
of your
I will
day.
be marinating half in this Caribbean
Yeah,
jerky
yeah.
and the other half in
The
this
woman of your
herb
day.
and
Yeah,
garlic.
because I don't
Oh,
want
check
to put
it
it
out.
for a
This
date.
stuff
food
is so
don't come to
amazing,
America,
and it's
sir.
made by great value. Try
You
that
want
out,
to
folks.
need a
When you
nice
get a
girl
chance.
for the
Let's
church.
get into this.
If you want to meet a rat, 99.9% of the time, you watch them sisters at the church.
Like I said, I will be cutting these into rounds and flats. And folks, when you do that, keep this part of the wing, because this right here, you can make some nice broth with that part. Now, excuse me real quick while I step away and get my chicken all rinsed off. I'll be back. Now, it's as simple as this, folks. Go ahead and get your chicken bagged up. We're going to dump the marinade in here. I like to marinate my chicken overnight. But if you want a minimum, do it at least 6 hours. 4 might work, but a minimum of 6, I say. But I go for 24 when I marinate mine. And another thing I should tell you, sometimes depending on how much meat you're using, these bottles right here, this marinade is kind of concentrate. So what I like to do is I dump the whole bottle in, and I go back and fill the bottle up halfway with water, shake it up, get out a little bit inside, and dump that back in there. And like this right here, make sure I get all my chicken covered. In the fridge it goes for 24 hours. All right, now for this next step, I like to use my cowboy rub. I will put a link to this right here down in there in the description, but you can use whatever seasoning you like. I like to use rub because I like to go heavy on it. Plus, not only that, we're going to let this sit on here for at least about an hour inside the fridge as well before we get to cooking it. And if you do decide to go with this rub that I'm using right here, do just like I'm doing. Coat it very generously on both sides of your chicken. You will appreciate it later, and those eating it will appreciate it too. Trust me. Just do as I do, okay? Now, like I said, we're going to let this seasoning sit on this chicken inside this refrigerator for about an hour. Let that get all good and bind it to the chicken. All right, now in your air fryer, we're going to cook at 300. We're going to do that 10 minutes a piece for each side.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Bon appetit.